Now we just take our crumble topping here that we mix up with a fork. Just set this aside. Grab our handy dandy spoon. And we're gonna just do a crumb the top of all of these. If you make a miniature mess, don't worry. Should get about a spoonful on top of each one here. And I wouldn't sweat it if they kind of spread out on the pan a little bit like you see they've done here. It's not the end of the world. If it does bother you, then you can always sit here and take your fingers like this and wipe them all off. But I'm actually gonna kind of spread the parts I've missed back into my muffins. All right, so now we got our little streusel top thing going on here. Get back on there. I'll take this piece, put it over here, cover up that little gap. Okay, so now these go, tasty. These are gonna go into the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes, usually for a small muffin like this. So, you know, depending on your oven, it could take as long as 25 minutes. But we're going to call it 15 to 20 to start. See where that ends up. I'm going to rescind these because I'm not going to use them all. That's why I only do a half a dozen today because there's no way I can eat a dozen myself. And put these up, save them for later. And I'll come back when these are done and we'll show you the final finished product.